Alright, here's Elaine now, in the process of taming our young budgies. These are our young babies. Been out the box about 3 days. Now what she's doing now is just holding her hand inside the cage. So they probably think it's just a perch, and they're just getting them used to it. Oh, look, getting them used to the hand. Every so often during the day, put your hand in the perch, inside the cage, and just rest it there. They're very playful. Now, as we believe, budgies are very difficult to sex. Now, these were about 6 weeks old, and we reckon we've got 3 females and 1 male. The male will be the tamer. The male will be the first one to interact with Elaine, because this is why people prefer the males. The females can be just as friendly and tame, but they tend to take more time. Now that's the male on their hand now. The male will interact quicker, because like me, males are perfect. Here's a nice hen, look, multicoloured blue. Got a big cage. They're all feeding, they're all drinking on their own. Having a bit of fun now, look on the floor now. So you just continue a couple of times a day, just rest your hand, your arm inside the cage, and then eventually add millet. Just hold some millet on your hand, and then eventually the bird will become your best friend. Thank you. Bye.